Welcome back to my channel, people. Brownbossjatours. Yes, people, so we're back at it again, and I'm going to give you a tour right now of what is called the Montego Bay Highlight Tour. So I will start here from the cruise ship port, just making my way to pick up some guests, all right, so that we can definitely get this tour started. So I'll show you how the process works. We have to come here really early and get our place in the line so that we can, get the guests picked up and start our tour. So this highlight tour, people, is really amazing. You get to view different sides or sections here of Montego Bay. We have the housing developments, which are, houses the rich and famous people here in Montego Bay, Westgate Hills. Then we would take them to like rural parts here in Montego Bay, like the ghetto, pretty much, aka the ghetto. And of course we'll go shopping. Of course we have some sightseeing, taking some pictures, just going through the downtown area of Montego Bay. All right, so yes, people, so stick along, ensure that you watch the entire video so that you can see. I'll just give you like sneak peeks. Cannot give away everything, so I'll give you like sneak peek of the actual tour here, so you'll have an idea. So right now we're almost at the pickup area. All right, just gonna wait a bit here so other persons in the line can get their guests. All right, so I'm just waiting my turn. So right now you can see the ship right there docked. All right, so persons will disembark it soon, and we'll basically go into the shopping center here at Freeport. All right, so yes, I'm just patiently waiting, people. All right, we'll soon go along to the pickup area where my guest for today will, come along and we can get this tour started. All right, people. So persons should come off the ship any moment now. All right, so here they are. Yeah, a whole lot of people here. All right. If you want to come along and tour Jamaica, I am your person. All right, so hook me up. The link will be in the description section. All right, people, so yes, we are still waiting on our time so that we can get on the road. So don't go anywhere. We will definitely kickstart the tour. All right, just some other guests going to an excursion there at Chaka. All right. Okay, so the vehicle in front of me, she is just getting her guests ready so that they can go. So it's my turn. Alright, so my guests will be here shortly so that we can go on the road. So our guests today, they're chill. Pretty much relax. They would just do whatever. And they're not fancy, so that's what I love about them. Are really good people, nice people. And they love our culture. Really, really love our culture. Alright, so stick with me, people, while I take you on this journey. So here they are. Yeah, a wonderful couple. Alright, good stuff. Alright, people, so alright, we'll kick things off any moment now. Alright, so let's get on with it. So how was the journey?
Couldn't wait to get off the boat.
Well, really?
Yeah, couldn't wait to get something started.
Well, funny thing is, I've never been on a boat before.
Oh no?
Never.
Wow. Okay, y'all would have. Let me look at this.
Montego Bay.
We ended up having to go to the little Sandals Beach.
Oh. Okay, understood, understood. No problem, and I'll sort you guys out.
Yeah.
So where did you go the last time you came here?
Alright, when we left from here, we went to like, we made the trip, I guess like the highlight tour, but we also went to like the Montego Bay area. Not the Montego Bay, we also went to Margaritaville. And he brought us past Margaritaville a little bit of the way, and then that was kind of like the little Sandals resort, and then they kind of made the U-turn back on us, and we came back. That was like kind of like the only two places that we really went.
Oh. Okay, understood. So you've never been to the rich part of Montego Bay where persons live?
No. I seen the houses on the hill though. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did see the house on the hill, the big white house on the hill. I saw that one.
Oh, the big white house.
Yeah.
Was that the great house in Montego Bay? And let me tell you a funny story. It was this year, in April, I traveled, and it was in Canada.
Ooh.
Yep.
Yeah,
long way. 4 hours flight. 4 hours. Yep, 4 hours.
From here?
Yes, the Montego Bay, Sanchez International Airport.
Yeah, I see. Straight flight, like a single
Straight flight.
Yeah,
Straight flight.
Oh, that's far.
Yeah, the sun is really hot out here.
Oh yeah.
This
Yeah,
is like
really
it
hot.
is back home.
Really?
We're used to hot weather.
New Orleans.
Yeah,
Okay.
100 degrees.
Yeah, 100 degrees, 80
Wow.
degrees, yes. Like right now, it's kind of cool, and it's still like in the 70s.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wintertime there. Wintertime there.
Wintertime there is like
Winter.
60s, 70s.
Wow.
How y'all kind of stay in the 80s?
That's how we are most of the year.
Well, that's cool. But every time I hear New Orleans, I can remember about Vampire Diaries.
Oh.
You know, you're right.
Just like the city. Just like
Understood.
I got a witness.
So we have a lot of, in terms of shopping and the call centers, yes, we have a lot of business outsourcing places out here. This is like a high school. We call it Herbert Morrison Technical High School. You guys listen to Bob Marley?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Of course.
He's the one to put Jamaica on the map in terms of reggae music.
We have a reggae bar and stuff anymore.
Really?
Yeah, when I say this is the same, like especially coming from New Orleans, like just the culture itself is basically Caribbean culture.
Oh, gotcha.
No, I say if you're ever busy, you'll feel like home.
Oh, just like home.
Like, so just as crowded, just as congested, like literally everything from home.
The trucks in Jamaica, they drive really fast.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful view they have out here.
Definitely. definitely.
It's like the entire down there is the JPS, the power plant. The power plant. Yeah, so that facilitates all the electricity in Montego Bay.
What?
Yep. That.
Just that little one?
Yeah. You see the smoke coming out?
Yeah, I do see
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Yep. And out that section, they have the bug sewage plant that facilitates all the water throughout Montego Bay. So they bring the untreated water there, the waste and everything like that, and they just treat it out there.
Yeah, like we do at home.
Yeah, but I mean, just that one. One right here, one right here.
That's because a lot of us live in
funny thing is, it used to be like the coast, the water used to be there, but they dump it up. Yep. So they pushed it back. So if we ever get a tsunami, the water will take back its course.
Gotcha. That is smart. That is smart.
It's wild. It's wild.
They'll flood us.
I think they do that.
Is that a coconut tree?
So the bypass will pass somewhere there. So you see, you can drive up there and you can go to where we're gonna go at the North Coast Highway.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go to the downtown area, but once the bypass is completed, you can avoid this area.
Okay.
Like
the more of the congested areas.
Yep. This can be really congested. So here you can see persons selling on the street side or just walking around. They do that a lot here. Walk around with their merchandise and sell it.
Yeah, and try to sell it like that.
Yeah. And they'll be shouting on the top of their voices. Yeah. And you'll find the buses to taxis, parked along, and persons. They'll just be bothering you if you're going this end, you're going this, are you going that end? Sometimes they'll be fighting over you.
Right.
Yep. If you go down that side, it can take you to the famous Charles Garden Market. So that's the famous local market where they sell the ground produce. Yep. Yam, bananas, coconut, everything. It can be really, really crowded though, especially on Saturdays. Really crowded. To a point where you can't even go in, or if you go in, you might be stuck there for a moment. So at that section there, that's the market. Really crowded.
Cool. Yeah, really
if we go there now, we might not come out from now. So there you have persons selling, And people will just park anywhere in Montego Bay, as long as they can find a little slot.
Right.
So oftentimes they'll have the wrecker who will go around and just pick up the vehicles. Yep. Even this parking is not a good parking. Montego Bay is not that busy right now, but on a typical weekend, Friday or Saturday, yep, that's when the trip starts. Here you have Trinity Mall, popular mall as well, but it's sort of old-fashioned. And here you have the fire station. It was built recently. It's huge. It was built recently. They had it here before, but it burnt down.
Oh, it burned down?
Yeah, and they moved it to the Freeport area where we were coming from initially. So now they're back home, right here. So anytime you come to Montego Bay, you hear about Pier 1. Yeah, that's the famous Pier 1. Yep, right at the pier. So we're gonna go to the North Coast Highway. They used to have the revenue office right there, where you pay taxes and everything like that.
Yeah.
And over to the right, that's the Harbor Street Craft Market, where you can get all sorts of trinkets, Jamaican items. The green light. Persons be crossing on the green light. If you look to the left now, that's where they call Harmony Beach Park. So that's like a free park built for us Jamaicans. Yep. But anybody can go there.
Right.
Yep. So people will just go. Oh, that's Jimmy Cliff on the post side there.
Where?
Yeah, Jimmy Cliff. So when I was going to school when I was younger, they used to have pure field over here. It was empty. Persons used to go there after school and swim out by the rocks. But since recently, a few years ago, they just developed the area, the government of Jamaica, and built it for Jamaicans so we can, you know, go and chill, just have a good time. Yep. And it's free.
Yeah. I when nothing is free.
They used to have a beach here, Aquasol.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's locked down for a good time now. I'm not sure what type of plans they have for it. But we're entering the hip strip. This is the main area for tourists.
Okay.
Yeah, it's called the hip strip. In Jamaica we call it Bottom Road.
Battle Road?
Bottom Road.
Battle Road?
Yeah, Bottom Road. Like top and bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, bottom. Because they have another road up the other side, Top Road.
Oh.
Yeah. Here's another park, they call it Lovers Park. But since COVID came in, it was closed. I'm not sure what they have planned for it now, but it's a good place. Couples go there, you know, sit under the gazebos and just chill.
Yep.
So there you have the Margaritaville.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, this was kind of like the strip I remember right here, because I remember everybody calling out to us while we were in this little area.
Oh.
This little main room right here.
I think it's more like the mid or so.
Okay.
Well, it varies. So we're gonna go into Whittle Village. Here you have it.